8 student, come on guys, let's do it quickly. Just you will copy the link and you put this code on the 8 student now. Yes, the other please. If you cannot enter, try it again, refresh. Okay, now 11 students already connect, so I'm going to start the lesson. Okay. Okay, you will see something like this. So please do the instruction. How was the homework assignment? Yes, 11 students already responding, good. Let's continue the next one, the next slide. What did you learn from the homework? Please write down your response. You can write your response in the right side. Okay. Okay, now let's see your response. I know about how to calculate, how to answer. Let's see another slide. Draw a line. You can draw a line there. You see, right? How to draw the line in the website? Okay. If you want to find the mass, we will find the volume, which formula that we will use. Each student already respond, and I'm going to show you the response. Yes, thank you. Some of the response here we can see the volume here. This formula you are going to use. For mass, this formula. For number of particles, you are using this formula. Good. Is it true, right? Okay. So when you want to find the number of particles, you are going to use this formula. Mole is equal to the number of particles, n is the number of particles over the Avogadro's number. When you want to find the mass, you are going to use this formula. Mole is equal to mass over molar mass. This capital M is a molar mass. When you want to find the volume of a gas, you are going to use this formula. Mole is equal to volume over 22.4. So let's see again the response. This is a response. Thank you. And this is a true response. Let's continue then to another question. This is just a review question for you. What is the number of mole of 3.01 times 10 to the power 23 atom of iron? Let's see your answer. Find the mole, please. Four students already, and I can show you. I'm going to share. Sorry. Here, I can see your answer. One of you is answering. Alfian Nur is answering. Good. Wisnu, thank you, Wisnu. You're answering. Wahyu, answering. Yes, Denny, your answer is seem to be different from the others. Please calculate again. Daud Manurung, thank you. Your answer is also good. Rofif, Yogi, Noval Surya, Ikram, Sauki. Yes, good. Let's see the responses. What is the answer then? Okay. Most of you is 0.5 mole, the answer. Let's see how to find this. Yes, the answer is 0.5 mole. What's the number of mole of 3.01 times 10 to the power 23 atom of iron? So what you're going to do is you're going to find the mole by dividing the number of particles which is given here by the Avogadro's number. So when you divide this 3.01 times to the power 23 to 6.02 times 10 to the power 23, so you will get 0.5 mole. Thank you very much. Another question, please. I'm waiting for your response. Please write the response. Yes, somebody is still writing the response. What is the number of mole of 20 grams of calcium carbonate? One student is writing 0.2 mole. Yes, still waiting for the others respond. Okay, Denny is deleting your response. Muhammad Andika, please. Yes, Wisnu get the response. You get the answer, Vishnu. Thank you. Okay. Yogi, okay. Alfian Nurget, yeah. Most of you, 9 of you, is already writing your response. So let's answer this. How to write the response? Yes, the answer is 0.2 mole. Good. Most of you are doing true. I see here your answer is true, 0.2 mole. So how to find, given is the mass is 20 gram, molar mass of calcium carbonate you can find, you can take the value of relative atomic mass from the periodic table. So you will get 100 gram per mole. When you get 100 gram per mole, just you will divide the mass over the molar mass, then you will get 0.2 mole. Very good. Another question, what is the number of mole of 5.6 liter of O2 gas at STD? Okay, I'm still waiting your response. Alfian Nur is writing the response. Good. Thank you, Alfian Nur. Your answer is true. But don't tell the others. Let them write themselves. Lutfi, your answer is true also. Ikram, thank you. Your answer is true. Naufal Surya, true. Daud Manurung, true. Sauki, true. Vishnu is writing something good. Vishnu is also true. Yoga, true. Yes. 8 of you is already respond. The other is not. Let's wait 2 more minutes. The other to respond. What is the number of mole of 5.6 liter of oxygen gas? Andika, your answer is not true. Please try it again, Andika. Your answer is 4, but it's not 4. Hambali, your answer is true, good. Rafif, your answer is true. Denny, your answer is true. Yogi, you're writing 8 mole. I don't think so. Please, Yogi, try it again. You delete the response, okay. Try to calculate again, Ray. Yogi. 13 of you already responded. Yes. Okay, let's see the answer. Yes, the answer is 0.25 mole. Thank you for the one who got the true answer. How to find the 0.25 mole? You are given the mole of the gas, 5.6 liter, and it is at STB. We know that if it is at STB, then you just will divide the given volume with the 22.4 liter. So if you divide 5.6 to the 22.4 liter, you will get 0.25 mole. Thank you for the one who got the true answer. Okay, the next slide, please. How is your feeling? Please keep going, understand, little confused, or stop. I need help. Please, everybody. What's your feeling? 12 of you already give the response. I'm still waiting the others. So from here, let's see whether you are going to continue or not. 13 of you, 14 of you, one more student, please answer. Drag the blue color, okay? Drag it. Okay, let's see the response. Okay, most of you is understand already. Some of you say that I'm a little bit confused. So I'm going back to the formula at the beginning. Okay, so if you're still confused, what we are doing is just this, okay? When you want to find the number of particle, what you are going to do is you are going to divide the number of particles given by the Avogadro's number. If you want to find the mass, you just divide the mass over the molar mass. If you want to find the mass from the mole, so mole will be equal to mass over molar mass. If you want to find the volume, then mole will be equal to volume over 22.4 liter. And remember, for the volume, it is only valid for gas, and the condition must be at STP, okay? So those are the things that we did. Actually, this is just a review because we learned and we solved some problem last lesson, okay? One of you is saying that, stop, I need help, but it's changing. Okay, I'm going to continue then. Now, this is another question. It is a little bit challenging one. What is the density of 4 mole of nitrogen dioxide gas at STB? I give you the hint to find the answer, first you're going to find the mass, and then you're going to find the volume, and then find the density. Okay. Please, two of you is responded. Okay, still waiting the others to respond my answer, your answer. Maybe you will need a calculator, maybe, or you can calculate by yourself, especially for finding the volume, because the number is, 22.4. Sometimes you need calculator. Three of you is writing the response. Alfian Nur. Okay, Alfian Nur. Very good. Your answer is true, Alfian Nur. For the mass and the volume, how about the density, Alfian Nur? Lutfi, you're writing the mass wrong. Calculate again the mass, Lutfi. Okay. Vishnu, your answer is, okay, for the mass, true. Volume is true. How about the density? You divided. Good. Thank you, Vishnu. It seemed to be okay. Naufal Surya is good. Your answer is true. The density, please, Naufal Surya. I'm waiting your density answer. Guys, your response is recorded here. So later I'm going to give score for this. So if you're not responding, no additional score for you. I'm recording the answer here. Now, Surya, good. The density is also true. Andika, find the density, please. The mass and the volume is already true, Andika. Profit, the mass, the volume is true. Find the density. Do you know how to find the density, guys? How to find the density? Anyone can help me? Yes,
Mass
please.
divided volume.
Mass divided by volume. Yeah, thank you, Alfie. So if you already find the mass and you already find the volume, just you will divide it mass over volume, so you will get the density. Rafib, try to find the density. Andika, try to find the density. Denny, thank you. Your answer is true. Wahyu Hidayatullah, yes, good. Your answer is true. Wahyu. Please
Excuse me,
write
sir.
on the website. Don't write on the chatting room, because the one which is recorded is the one which is in the website. The link that I gave to you. Daud, the mass is true, Daud. Continue, please, the volume and the density.
Excuse me, sir. I don't get the link.
The link is in the chat room. The first chat from me. I send again the link to everyone. Okay, now you can see again the link and also the code.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Hambali, I'm confusing about your answer. You know the mass, but you don't write the volume. You got the density. How come you got the density without knowing the volume? Hambali. Okay, you're writing the volume. Thank you, Hambali. Okay, Ikram is good. The mass is true. The volume is true. Density is true. Okay. Lutfi, you got the volume is true. Find the mass, Lutfi. Mass is just the mole times the molar mass, Lutfi. Find the molar mass and multiple by the mole is given, then you will get the mass. Yoga true. Daud, the volume is true, Daud. Please continue. Yogi, the density, Yogi, the density is very easy. Just you will divide the mass over the volume, Yogi. Okay, you're writing something, 2 point. Okay, thank you, Yogi. True. Rafik, thank you, true. Daud, yes, now it's true, Daud. Thank you. Lutfi, density is wrong, Lutfi. Something wrong with you. I think you have to find the mass. Can you write down the mass? What is the mass that you find?
184, sir.
Good. Just write in the response in the answer. Daud, thank you, true. Rafib, thank you. Mursid Muhajir, thank you for joining. Yes, the mass is good, true. Continue, please, the volume and then the density. Sauki, thank you. It's true. Okay. I couldn't see Rido today. Where is Rido? Can you go to the slide, Rido? Okay, thank you. So I'm going to finish this one. Let's continue to the next one. The answer, let's see the answer. Yes, the answer is the mass is 184 grams. How to find the mass? The mass is equal to mole times the molar mass. The mole is 4 and the molar mass is 46. So the mass will be 4 times 46. This is 184 grams. Okay, for the volume, volume will be equal to the mole times 22.4 liter. So the mole is 4 times 22.4 liter. It is 89.6 liter. Thank you. And density is very easy to find the density. The density is equal to mass over volume. So the mass you are finding is 184 and the volume is 89.6. So you will get the density is 2.05 gram per liter. Okay? Everybody understand this? Please give response. Do you have any question about this? The one who is still confusing about this question, do you have any question? Yes? Do you have any question? No? Okay, if it's not, now time to do the reflection. Okay, I want you to also to write down your answer. This is my question. Pretend that your friend was absent from the class today. Write what you would say if you had to explain the lesson to your friend. I'm waiting your response. Pretend that your friend was absent from the class today. Write what you would say if you had to explain the lesson to your friend. Okay, someone is writing the answer. So this is a kind of reflection for you, what you learned today. So if your friend is absent, how can you explain the lesson that you got today to your friend? Ikram is writing something, Vishnu is writing something, Yoga, thank you. Rafif is writing something, thank you. I'm going to read maybe one of you. I give you 2 more minutes to write down your responses. Okay, most of you are writing. Good. 15 of you are writing the responses. Daud say that So we have learned about how to easier to solve the question about the mole, mass, volume, and density. And we know the simple formula. Thank you, Daud. Okay. Ikram say that I learned about how to find number of mole, volume of molecule. Is volume of molecule? Volume of gas, I think, Ikram. Okay. Vishnu, writing something. Today we are learning and answering some question about how to find a number of mole, how to find the volume of a gas, and finding mass of some substances. There are three different formula. Thank you, Vishnu. Very good reflection. Yoga. So today we learn about find mass of mole and find volume of gas that end with calculate of the density. Good. It's very good also. Sauki is writing the answer like he's talking to his friend. Hi, bro. We have studied chemistry about how to find mole, mass, and density. So you have to study it. Very good answer, Sauki. Thank you. Rafif, a little bit formula. If you want to find the mass, Rafif say that mole is equal to mass over the molar mass. If you want to find the volume, mole is equal to V over 22.4 liter. How about the number of particle, Rafif? Maybe you can write down also how to find the number of particle there. Hambali say that today we have learned, we have already studied about solve some problem and we try to calculate about number of particle, mass and volume. We just apply what we have learned. Thank you, Hambali. Naufal. Today we are learning about question about mole, volume of gas, mass, and density with easier formula than I learned in the book. Good, it's easier formula, right? Okay. Okay, most of you are writing the responses, but I will check it later because we don't have much time to read one by one. Now we are going to do the next activity, the last one. This is my last slide. How well did you like this lesson today? Okay, just drop. Okay, 15 of you is responded. Okay, quickly please, we run out of time. We have only 4 minutes, so we can. Okay. 15 students already tracked, 2 more students. Okay, so most of you are like this lesson. Thank you. So this is the beginning. Yeah, I just try to using one application that I learned, which is Peerdeck, that you can interact with the teachers. So you can write your answer there in the website. And I want one of you to summarize our lesson. We have only 3 minutes. Please quickly. I want Mursid, please open your microphone and what is your reflection, your summary about your lesson?
In here we get some formula that we have learned before.
Yeah.
But in here we got easier way, like how to find mole, how to find the mass, and how to find the volume. And here we got some of kind of topic maybe, and like how to find density.
Good. Okay. So actually the mole is about this. Yeah. How the mole is totally is about this. The other is just the like connection between one and the others, between mass and volume, volume with the number of particles. So it's kind of mixing problem. But the basic thing about the mole is this three. So if you understand this three, it will be very easy for you to solve the problem later. But you need your mathematical skill. okay, to do the mole question. There are so many questions in your book. Try to find the answer. If you got any question, you can write me, text me in my WhatsApp or to the Google Classroom to asking the question, yeah? So don't hesitate to asking the question. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your coming to the lesson. But now only 17 students is here. 3 students are not here. Who are they? Anyone know? Mursyid, Ahmad Hambali, Alfian Nur Daud, Denny, Ikrom, Mubin. Mubin have two. Why you have two, Mubin? So it is cloning. So it's only 16 students here. Andika, Lutfi, Naufal, Rofif, Sauki, Wahyu, Wisnu, Yogi, Yoga. Who is not here?
Mirza?
Rama, Rido.
Mirza, Rama, Rido.
Nah, Rido.
Mirza, Rama, Rido, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Mirza, Rama, and Rido. I'm going to check here. Not here. Where are them? Do you know?
I don't know, sir.
One more student is not here. Mirza, Rama, Rido, and one?
Rizky.
Iki.
Oh
yeah,
Rizky.
Rizky also not here. Okay, thank you guys. The time is finished. See you next week. Please stay tuned on Google Classroom and fill in the attendance, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Assalamualaikum
Thank you, sir.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Mister.
Welcome.
Mister.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.